Today, we're visiting Marugame Udon, where Japanese flavors come to life. We're ordering a variety of dishes: crispy tempura, savory yakiniku beef, and chicken, and juicy karaage. Look at that spread. Everything smells amazing. Every bite is a burst of flavors, enhanced with those extra toppings. And the karaage, so tender and juicy. Perfect with a tangy sauce. One of the best parts, that unlimited chopped onion leeks. And tempura flakes to add a flavorful crunch to your meal. The yakiniku beef is grilled to perfection, juicy and packed with rich umami flavor. And the chicken, it's just as flavorful, with a perfect balance of sweet and savory. Marugame Udon, where every meal is a customizable feast. Come and experience it for yourself.